How to track calories on MyFitnessPal. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the MyFitnessPal application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, in the first page or the main page, you'll be able to see the calories that you have over here on the screen from your body to be removed or to be lost over here. Next, if you want to track the calories of the food that you would want to eat, what you simply need to do is tap on the option of over here for diary, and you can simply tap on the option of plus icon and then tap on the log food option as well. Now here, if you tap on the search option and if you want to see the calories on a particular food item, so I'm going to select for chicken breast over here for now and then search for it. And here you'll be able to see the calories over here. And that's how you can track calories on MyFitnessPal. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.